Hey Forkers, you want a quick filling pumpkin pie oatmeal? Come right back and I'll give you the recipe. So this is a good recipe for fall, although I'm having it in the spring because it's good any time of day because I love pumpkin pie. And more importantly, pumpkin is really good for you. Did you know pumpkin is full of vitamin A, it's full of vitamin C, it's a low nutrient food. It's good for promoting weight loss. Pumpkin's just an all-around great thing, and it tastes delicious. So here's a really quick, awesome pumpkin pie oatmeal you can make in the Instant Pot, or you can do it on the stovetop too. Here you go. You're gonna want to use 1.5 cups of plant milk. Now this might seem like more plant milk than you'd normally use for an Instant Pot oatmeal, but because of the pumpkin, it's gonna make it stick a little bit more. You just need more liquid, so just do that. If you're using water, you could probably get away with a little bit less, but you can always just cook it down too. It's not worth it, otherwise it will burn. 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. It's just the pure pumpkin. If there's other ingredients than pumpkin in this stuff, you don't want it. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or just 1/2 capful. That's usually what I do. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a dash of cloves, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. You're gonna mix all that up. You're gonna throw it onto your Instant Pot for 3 minutes on maximum setting or porridge setting, whatever you got. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can do this on the stovetop. You just turn it up and cook it the way you normally would rolled oats for 5-10 minutes max. Just keep an eye on it. Stir that stuff. While that is happening, you're gonna want to take 1/2 ounce, which is about 2 tablespoons of pecans. I suggest roasting them, just really quick. It makes a huge difference in flavor. You don't have to, but man, you're gonna taste the difference. Cut up an apple, slice a banana. Now, if you're using the Instant Pot, as soon as it's done, you're gonna open it up and say, "Oh shit, I burned the hell out of that stuff." You didn't, it's okay. It looks weird. Start mixing it up with a non-scratchy spoon thing that's not gonna destroy your Instant Pot, and it'll mix up really nicely, and it'll give it a little extra texture and taste, the little burnty, flavory stuff that looks like it's destroyed, but it's not. It's okay. It's totally okay. Throw your apple in right away so it warms up and mixes in and gets all a little goopy and whatnot. Transfer it over to a bowl. You're gonna throw in your banana as well. Top on your toasted nuts. Now if you want a little bit extra sweetness, throw on a tablespoon or 2 of maple syrup or date syrup. You don't need it. Some people like it. I'm gonna put a little bit on just for kicks and giggles, but again, not necessary. So this is an amazing oatmeal you can make any time of year. It's particularly good and fun in the fall when it's a little bit cool out and you're wanting to get into the festive mood. Top this with different stuff, different nuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios. Use different seasonal fruit. Pears are good, peaches would be lovely in the fall. Send photos on Instagram, leave comments below. Where are you watching this from? Subscribe, do all those things. Thanks for watching, Forkers.